Today was gardening day. Mud everywhere. Let's wash it off to see what we're working with. First, I'm giving my cuticles a good scrub with the Cuticle Away. Get in there. The technique is to gently file to remove the callus. Don't forget to push the cuticle to increase nail surface. Nip and nip. Going in with the nail nipper to remove any hangnails. So satisfying. We're almost there. Last step. It's time for some shine. Here I'm using the Clarity Nail Shiner to give my nails a healthy polish. Fall back and forth and let the Clarity Nail Shiner do its work. I love my plants, but I'm not sacrificing my nails. Giving off Material Girl vibes. Final result. The before and after.